Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Flynn. In today's video, we're going to tackle website security. Now, if you're a seasoned developer or you're a beginner in website development, I'm going to show you 5 ways that you can use to secure your website from hackers. So if this is something that you're looking to do, then stick and stay to the end of the video. Now, the first tip I would like to share is the use of strong passwords. When it comes to using a password for their website, what I see most people do is they use dictionary words or even personal information such as their date of birth and names as passwords for their websites. Now, I will highly discourage you from doing this because it allows hackers to easily break into your website. A strong password includes uppercases, lowercases, numbers, and even symbols. Now, if you can't generate one for yourself, when you come to this website that is called lastpass.com, it's a password manager tool that allows you to generate a password for your website. So as you can see on your screens, you can actually tell it the password length that you want. It's on 12 right now. You can increase it to 14, 15, and it will auto generate a password for you. Now, if you want an uppercase in there, you want a lowercase number symbols, you can also tick those boxes and it will give you the password according to the boxes that you tick over here. And after doing this, another feature is that you can also save the password in your LastPass account. So if you don't have an account, you can easily go ahead and create an account in here and store all your passwords for your website. The second security tip that I would like to share with you or advice that you do constantly is to update the software that your website runs on. Now, most websites rely on softwares such as plugins and themes to function. So if you leave these softwares outdated, hackers are going to come for your website. Now, for example, if your website is built on a platform such as WordPress, it's very important that all the plugins and themes that are installed on your WordPress dashboard are always updated. If you leave them outdated, hackers are going to find vulnerabilities in your website and they can easily use this to cause trouble for your business or for your personal website. So I will highly encourage that you always look out when there are updates for your plugins and themes and update them accordingly. Now, the third way that you can ensure website security is to secure your website connection. Now, what do I mean by this? Every time information is passed between your website and visitors who visit your website, you want the information to be encrypted, or in other words, you want the information to be sent in a secret code. And this is where SSL comes in. Now, if you have a website and you want to know whether it has a secure connection, if you head over into your Google Chrome and you open your website and you come to view site information in here, you will see that the first thing you would see a lock in here that says connection is secure. Now, what this means is that anytime your visitor or the user of your website enters their credit card information or their login details, that information will be secured or is secured. And this ensures that hackers do not get access to people's information or users who use your website. So it's very important that if your website does not have an SSL certificate yet, I would highly encourage you that you go to your hosting provider and they ensure that you buy a hosting or you buy an SSL certificate for them, which will be attached or integrated into your main or into your hosting account. The fourth website security tip I would like to share with you is to keep a regular backup of your website. Now, most people do not see this as a security feature, but it is. Let's just say, for example, that your website has been hacked or something goes wrong with your website and it goes down. If you don't have a proper backup to restore, this will be a total nightmare for you or for your business. So I highly encourage that you find a secure cloud service platform where you can create or where you can store a backup of your website. Now, if something happens to your website, you can easily go for this backup and easily restore your website and get it up and running within a few seconds. Now, having given you these 4 website security tips, the last tip that I'd like to leave with you is to stay vigilant on your website. Now, what I mean by that is you need to continue to monitor your website for any suspicious activity. Nowadays, most hosting providers also give you some management tools or security monitoring tools that you can use to monitor your website. So you can leverage those tools as well. Now, with you and your team, you would have to continue educating yourself on any cybersecurity best practices that you can do to continue to secure or even toughen the security of your website. These are some of the things that you can easily do so that any security threat can be kept in its initial stages before it becomes a bigger issue. So there you have it. These are 5 essential ways you can use to increase the security of your website. If you found any of these tips useful, kindly like the video and also subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope to see you in the next video.